Hi guys, in this class we will discuss another problem in PHP. Write a PHP program to make use of constant. We will use constant in this class. Verify that its value did not change. You know that there is variable, another is a constant. Value of variable is changed in a program execution, but constant value cannot vary and its value is constant fixed value. You cannot change its value. Sometimes we need a constant to create in a program, and sometimes we need to create variable. It depends upon our requirements. So this is a problem statement in PHP. Just save this file, and then I have to save this file in chapter number 2. Now that in previous classes we have discussed all the problems related to chapter 1, but this is a problem number 1 of chapter number 2. I have to get a HTML basic structure. This is a problem 1 chapter right here. Chapter 2 problem number 1. Inside body tag I have to use PHP tag, and then I will use this is a comment way in HTML document. Just I want to check whether it is working or not. I open the browser, and you can see that this is a chapter number 2 problem 1 high is displaying here. It means that this file is working fine. Now write PHP program to make use of constant. How you can create constant in PHP? So using define keyword you can create constant. So constant name, for example, constant name is, for example, language. So this is a value PHP. Same like variable and its value is PHP. So in this case, this is a variable. When I display this one, just refresh this one, PHP is displaying here. So when I echo language, I have tried PHP. You can see that this PHP, second PHP is coming from this constant value, but first PHP is coming from this variable value. So this is difference. For example, I want to change its value. Language is equal to Python, and then after updating value of language, I want to refresh this one. Sorry, just put a semicolon and then refresh. Python is displaying it. This Python is a new value of language variable, not constant. I want to change this language value to Python and then refresh. Constant language already defined. You cannot define again. Same like in variable. So we define its value variable, and again I want to change its value, so I can do that. But in case of constant, when I create this constant, you cannot provide another value, new value to that constant. So this is a way you cannot provide new value to constant. Constant value fixed, not variant in a program execution. So you can attempt more exercises related to PHP programming language, different concept to clear your concept, to clear your weak concept, to improve your PHP programming skill. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.